In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut a video using Capcut. Whether you're a beginner or someone who's already tinkered a bit with video editing, Capcut offers a user-friendly interface that's great for creating sleek, professional-looking videos. Let's dive right into the process and learn how to make precise cuts, trim away the unnecessary parts, and enhance your video editing skills. To start, open the Capcut application on your device. Once you have it up and running, you'll want to tap New Project. This is your gateway to the creative space where all the editing magic happens. Creating a new project is simple and directs you to your media library, where you can begin adding the content you wish to work on. Next, it's time to add your video. Simply locate the video file you want to edit within your library and tap on it to bring it onto the timeline. The timeline is your video's workspace, allowing you to visualize the sequence of clips in your project. This visual layout makes it much easier to decide how to edit, trim, or split your video. Now that your video is on the timeline, let's move on to the crucial part, making a cut. You'll notice a white line, known as the playhead, that runs vertically across the timeline. This line is your guide for where actions will take place in the video. You can easily slide it left or right along the timeline to the exact frame or second where you want to make a cut. Take your time to place it precisely. This precision allows for a clean and professional edit. Once you've positioned the white line at the desired cut point, you need to find the split option, which is conveniently located on the bottom menu of the application. Tapping split divides your video at the point where your playhead is placed. This function is essential for segmenting your video, allowing you to manage and edit each segment individually. After splitting the video, you'll want to decide which parts aren't necessary and either delete them or trim them to just the right length. With your segments defined, it's as simple as selecting the unwanted segment and hitting delete. If you intend to keep the segment but make it shorter, you can trim it by dragging its edges directly on the timeline. This flexibility gives you control over every part of your content, ensuring that only the essential moments are included in your final video. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effectively cut and trim videos using Capcut. With practice, these techniques will become second nature, empowering you to produce polished videos. Thank you for watching, and now go ahead and make those cuts crisp and effortless.